Uh, Welcome to the Geology Lab. I'm Dr. Chandrasekhar Pagasnarli, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, BMSIT Institute of Technology and Management, Bangalore. Today I'm going to explain about the Feldspar Group of Minerals. There are three minerals in a Feldspar group. One is called orthoclase, microclase, and plagioclase. Okay, and these three minerals are in the feldspar group, and especially these minerals are formed in a massive, or some extent it may be the granular, some extent may be the, you can see the flaky natures, flat tabular form. It's like a plate, like a tabulars. Okay, and color will be the physical properties, especially the first property in the identifying the minerals. The first property is the color and the form. Form is the shape. Okay, color is it indicates the whether it is a black color, white color. Okay, most of the the iron ore and manganese minerals are black and cherry red, or maybe the the red color. But in feldspar group of minerals, it's almost gray color, white, or it may be the some gray color, or it may be the rose colors. Okay, grayish white and rose colors. Okay, and here these minerals are streaked, especially the white. When you rub with this, it shows the black white color. So this is a white. You can see the white color streak. All three minerals. Okay, orthoclase, microclase, and plagioclase. These three minerals are releasing the streak. The streak is completely white. And the luster, the shining of the mineral of these three minerals, especially these are vitreous luster. You can see the shining of the minerals. You can see this, the reflectance. You can see this, the reflecting to the light. When you can see this, the reflecting light for the sunshine. Okay, so when you take these other minerals, say this is a dull. So this is how it look. You can compare the what you call this the lusters: vitreous, semi-vitreous, subvitreous, or dull lusters. Okay, and now the next property is the diaphanity. Okay, so because of this minerals are massive and its thickness wise huge, we cannot say that it is it's a opaque, but there is a semi-transparent ability of transferring the light. It's a semi-transparent. When you make these minerals into a thin section, cutting and polishing, and when you make with the in a thin sections, it may be a possible of transferring the light through these minerals. This is called a transparent, semi-transparent to translucent. Okay, right. So then its cleavage is perfect. The weaker zones in the minerals, you can see this, the weaker zones in the minerals. These are the weaker zones. You can easily identify this. Okay, so these cleavages are perfect and present in the plagioclase, especially the plagioclase, microclase, and even in the orthoclase. Okay, and the fractures are uneven fractures. When you break with these minerals, there may be a uneven fractures. There is no proper shape. Okay, and the hardness is a high hardness. I would say it's a 6. It's almost near to the quartz. Quartz is the 7 hardness, and this feldspar group of minerals showing that hardness. You can see this when you rub with your knife. You can see this. This showing the 6 hardness. High hardness. You can call it as a high hardness instead of 6. So specific gravity, it may be the low. So lightweight. It's not much of heavy there. Okay, and it occurs in the acid igneous rocks, especially it occurs in igneous rocks, and even in metamorphic rocks also you can see these minerals. So the main thing, the last one, the main thing of uses of these minerals. What is the most uses. Especially, we use these minerals for sanitary waste, manufacturing of sanitary products, abrasives, and glass industries and porcelain industries. Most of the small scale industries, those who are manufacturing the sanitary wares, abrasives, and glass industries, these are the raw materials, essential raw materials. We use this for manufacturing of porcelain, pottery, sanitary wares, abrasives, and glass industries manufacturing. These minerals are very important for small scale production of the sanitary abrasives and glass making industries. Okay, these are all about the physical properties of Feldspar group of minerals, especially this orthoclase, microclase, and plagioclase. Okay, the colors are little bit variation. Okay, and there will be a slightly variation in the chemical composition, especially the chemical composition. There will be in the plagioclase, there is a potassium, alumina, and silica content. Here also potassium, alumina, and silica content is there. But here there will be a little bit sodium, aluminum, and calcium will be there. Okay, so little bit variation this between, and most of the remaining properties are almost all same. Okay, because the occurrence is the same and the source is the same. The hosting rock will be the same. That's why the properties will be almost same of between these Feldspar group of minerals. Thank you one and all for this Feldspar group of minerals session.